flying a drone is a piece of cake. Well, if that's what you thought, you only know one half of the story. If you are 100 meters above ground where there are hardly any objects to collide with, flying a drone is not difficult. However, it is a completely different scenario if you are flying just meters above ground or especially water. In such a case, you will have to manually maneuver the drone, which will put your drone flying skills to the test. Today, I will be showing you footage of a creek follow that I did with my DJI Mini 4 Pro in Melbourne, Australia. I launched from a bridge, so I had to go down rather than up to get close to the water. I had my obstacle avoidance on, but one can never be sure with small tree twigs, and the last thing I wanted was the drone falling into water. In this kind of a flight, you will have to keep a line of sight with the drone to keep it safe. Also, any automated maneuvers, such as return to home, are too risky with so many obstacles around. You will have to carefully do the maneuvering manually. Also keep in mind, there can be unseen challenges, as in my case, this territorial bird swooping inches from the drone over and over. I moved my drone very slowly along the creek with cruise control enabled, and the footage you see is 5 times faster. Although this footage is not as smooth as I wanted it to be, it was a learning experience for me as well. I wanted to share with you some real challenges in close-to-terrain drone flying. Hope this information will help you in some way.